Well, some more breaking news coming in. There's been yet another ceasefire violation, this time in the Chakalla area of the Palanwala sector of Aknoor in Jammu. One army soldier has been killed and two others injured in an exchange of fire between Pakistani army and our troops. Now, according to defense sources, Pakistani troops started firing on the Chakalla post from 8:30 a.m. till 10:15 a.m. India also retaliated with heavy fire on Pakistani troops. Well, my colleague Ashwini now joins me live for more on this. Ashwini, take us through what the latest is. We understand that Pakistani troops in fact fired from 8:30 in the morning till 10:15, which was in fact met by retaliation from the Indian side as well. What's the latest?
Yes, Rishka, after 2 days lull on the international border in Jammu area, now Pakistani army has started unprovoked firing in Chakla area of the Aknoor sector in Palanwala area.
Right.
And there was a firing from our side also, and one soldier killed and two are injured. And the injured has been shifted to the army hospital, and the Indian army has retaliated with the heavy fire on the Pakistani post. There is some damage across the border, but nobody knows how much damage is there.
Right.
And this is again a ceasefire violation from the Pakistani army in the Palanwala sector. Yeah.
Well, yet another ceasefire violation as is being reported by Ashwini Kumar, this time in the Chakalla area of the Palanwala sector in Aknoor in Jammu. Defence Minister, remember, has talked tough in the Rajya Sabha over the recent spate in ceasefire violations by Pakistan. Arun Jaitley had said that India will never bow to terror. These are the words of the Defence Minister. And as those words are in fact echoed in Parliament, there has been yet another ceasefire violation in which yet another life of an Indian Jawan has in fact been lost.